How to change TikTok region without VPN. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your TikTok region without using a VPN so you can see content from other countries. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and privacy section, what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on account. And now here in this section, just tap on account information. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled as account region. So simply tap on it. Now here, once you tap on it, on the next page, you'll see a list of all the countries. So simply select the region where you want to change the TikTok to, and here once you tap on it, the TikTok will start changing to that region. But always remember, to change the region on TikTok, you must have to use TikTok in that region for 60 days. And after that, only you can make or change the region in TikTok. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.